So all you are seeing is cows, cattle everywhere, cows everywhere. This is WUZIE General Enterprise. We are the king of agricultural product supply. We supply cows to any state in Nigeria, even to Ghana. We supply to Ghana as well. So call me on 081-3357-7465. If you are in Ghana or you are outside Nigeria, you add +234 8133577465. Oh yeah, let's move around so I can show you what we have here in the market. So this is what we have here in the market. You can see this massive one. You can see these ones here. Okay. You can see this one. This one can be selling. This one you see here can be selling up to 1 million or 1 point something. Begin to negotiate. You can see these mighty cows. This one can be selling up to 1.2, 1.3 or more, depending. You can see these ones here. You see these ones. You have medium size. Check my channel. You see different sizes. You see these ones. No, guys, yeah. You can see these ones. You can see these ones. You can see these ones here. Let me look for this medium size. You can see this size. Okay. You can see this size. So pick your phone and call me on 081-33577465. You can see. Okay, let me move down. You can see a lot. We deliver to any state in Nigeria. Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Anambra. And once you make payment, it's payment before delivery. We have been doing this business for years now. Once you make your payment, you get to work. You can see this size is here. You can see this one. This one is, it has meat though. You can see all these markets. So the market is massive. The market is very massive. Very massive. Call me on 081-33577465. I see this size. Okay. The market is very massive. Very massive. You can see. You can see the market is very massive. So pick your phone. I can't move around the market. The market is bigger than football pitch. You can look at everywhere. The market is bigger than football pitch. You can move everywhere. So pick your phone and call me on 081-33577465. As you can see, the market is massive. Very big. So we is in northern Nigeria. Supply from here, northern Nigeria, to any state in Nigeria, even Ghana. So call me on +234 81-33577465. +234 81-33577465. Thank you very much. You can see the market is massive. Up to down there. Okay, the market is very massive. We deliver. Delivery is not a problem. Any state in Nigeria, even Ghana, we deliver. So thank you very much. Pick your phone, call me 081-33577465. See this one close to you can see rams of different sizes. You can see rams of different sizes. Call me on 081-33577465. Can deliver to any state in Nigeria. even to Ghana, and deliver to Ghana as well. Any state in Nigeria and Ghana, and deliver to Ghana as well. Call me on 081 33 577465. If you are in Ghana, you add +234 81 33 577465. You can see this one. Different sizes here. Direct from northern Nigeria. Direct from northern Nigeria. See so many rounds. So many rounds. So many so many rounds. See how massive these ones are. See. Of them. So many. Call me on 081 33 577465. See, the market is massive. Different sizes. You see these ones. Different sizes of some. These species of goats you are seeing here, these ones are Niger. You can see the ears very long. This one's are Niger. You can see the wrist very long. This one's are Niger. This one's are Niger. You can see these ones. You can see these ones as well. Call me on 081 33 577465. You can see this mighty one. This one's are Niger. This one's are Niger. And see how massive it is. This one's are Niger. See, this one's are Niger. On a Niger, po? Niger. Okay. You see red Sokoto. This one is red Sokoto. We have Niger goats here, but we have red Sokoto. So this one you are seeing is the red Sokoto. If you need it, you call me on 081 33 577465. Okay. So we deliver to any state in Nigeria, even to Ghana. Can deliver to Ghana as well. Call me on 081 33 577465. If you are in Ghana, you add +234 81 33 577465. You see? So this one is horse section, horse section. Call me on 081 33 577465. This one is donkeys section. You can see their sizes. Donkey section. So call me on 081 33 577465. Guys, beautiful camels. You can see them. If you need them, it's available. Once you make payment, we send to your state. So call me on 081 33 577465. See, they are very, very high ones. Call me on 081 33 577465. Let me look at it. can see they are massive. Let me see. This one don't come down. You can see these small ones. It's very small. That is for people who want to rear, who want to train them, fatten them. Okay. Call me on 081 3357 7465.